a 6P student. Go ahead and explain what you have learned about light.
Light travels in a straight line from its source, and the light wavelength that it travels in is called light.
Light rays, very good. So demonstrate it. Alright. Flashlight. Make sure it is straight. Bring up the flashlight from her. Alright. You're seeing a beam? Are we seeing the beam? Alright. What else did you learn about light? You want to show how shadow is formed? Are we all that up? Let everybody see it. Explain to the class. Everybody see that? Turn it sideways that the children can see it. Are they seeing the shadow?
Yes.
Turn that way and show them. Can anybody explain? Can you explain how shadow is formed? When light hits the object. Solid object, yes. That's the main thing. It must be solid. Anything else? Yes. How does a shadow form? Very good. All right, so look at what Alex is doing. Everybody give him a clap. We have Tyree Clark, and he's going to explain what he has learned about light.
I learned that light is a source of energy and it spreads through a wave or a line or a straight line. I cast a shadow to
Okay.
solid objects.
Okay, very good. So what are you demonstrating now?
How it casts the shadow.
Okay. Okay, so we're doing the shadow demonstration. What about how light travels?
Light travels in a straight line or wave.
Okay, can you demonstrate that? Make sure that thing is flat, it's leveled. Okay, so we're looking at the wall. Yes, yes. Are we seeing that on the wall, children? Seeing the beam of light straight through the holes in the CD. Okay, good job, Tariq. What else have you learned? Did you learn anything else about light?
Yes, miss. I learned that luminous objects are objects that can emit light on its own, and non-luminous objects are objects that reflect light.
Very good. Give him a clap, everybody.
Light is a form of energy. Light travels up to 300,000 kilometers per second.
Very good.
Light travels in a straight line.
Very good. She's making sure that the CDs are all light. All right, so we're seeing the shadow right there, yes. Very good. Very good. All right, give her a clap in it, everybody. Anything else you want to say about light?
You have like different kinds of light. You have natural light and unnatural light. For example, luminous and non-luminous. Luminous is like sunlight and non-luminous is like flashlight, which is not natural.
Okay. All right, everybody. And remember, luminous gives off its own light. That's the main thing about luminous. It gives off its own light. So even though the flashlight is not natural, it still gives off its own light. All right. Give her a clap again. we have Alex Robb, and he's going to tell us about his project on light. Go ahead, Alex, and tell us what you have learned about light when you did your research. Light is Jordan Smith. Talk to us about your project on light.
Well, my project on light, well, as you can see, it reflects and travels through the CDs. When,
How does it travel?
how does it travel? It travels through waves, known as waves. Yes.
Or rays,
Yes.
or light rays. Let's go ahead.
Known as waves or light waves. And yes, as you can see, it travels.
Yes, I'm seeing. Yes, I'm seeing it. Anything else you have learned about light? What about how light moves? It reflects,
And
refracts. Talk to me. What is reflection?
reflects, bounces off surfaces, I guess. And
Refract.
refraction, kind of, no way put something in water, kind of waves,
It bends.
yes, kind of waves and waves.
Okay. What about objects that are translucent, transparent? Can you explain?
Transparent, basically allows, transparent light allows all light to pass through, while
Yes.
translucent light allows some light to pass through.
Very good. And opaque?
Opaque, no light passes through,
Because why does that? Why is that?
because
Because it is what happened to the object, why it is opaque. Why no light pass through it?
it is,
Solid?
yes, it is solid.
Alright, so anything else? That's it?
Yes, Mr. Tingleton.
For now, alright. We're looking at how light forms shadow. So, go ahead.
Depending at the angle of light, it differs the size of the shadow and the position it is in.
Very good. For example, if it's 12 midday and the sun is in the middle of the sky, will we see much shadow or any shadow at all? No. So it depends on the angle. Show me a sharper angle now. So you notice we have a larger size shadow on the cardboard. Very good. Very good. Thanks for explaining how shadow is formed. Light. When you did your research, you did a project on light. What have you learned?
A light is traveling in a straight line and means of light. So,
Very good. So you're going to demonstrate using your CD model. Where is the beam? Show me the light ray. Where is it falling? Make sure the CD is straight. Check that last one. As we already said, it must be a straight line. One of the CD is not so straight. You see it? Oh, yeah, it's coming on, right. Right. So yes, we can see that light travels in a straight line. All right, what else have you learned about light?
refraction, when light goes to an object and is bent, and reflection is when light with an object and it bounces back.
Very good.
Also, when light shines on a solid object, it creates a shadow.
Very good. What's the difference between transparent and opaque and translucent? Transparent.
This open is solid, transparent
So if it's solid, it allows light to go through it. So opaque does not. So say it now. Opaque objects. Very good. Or some amount of light. Very good. All right, very good, George. Everybody give George a clap. We're doing Nakisha.
I'm showing how light travels, and light travels in a straight line.
Alright, so we're seeing that beam on the block, the whiteboard. Alright, good job. Give her a clap, everybody.